Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I share my secrets for trading binary options. Today I will be revealing an amazing strategy that can help you boost your chances of success. But before we dive in, I have one quick request. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I guarantee you won't find such detailed and helpful guides anywhere else. And don't forget about my Telegram channel. Message me there for even more valuable insights. And let's start trading together, guys. Let's make this journey into the world of trading exciting and profitable. So let's begin today's trading. I have already analyzed and selected the currency pairs with the most optional price movement characteristics and the highest payout percentage, which you can see right now. After analyzing the movement, I concluded that today it will be best to demonstrate and trade using these indicators: the Donchain Channel with a period of 20, the Fractal with default settings, and the SSI oscillator with a period of 10. We'll open trades on the 1 minute time frame, and I suggest starting with $600 trade. Let's get started and select the first currency pair. Here I want to open a buy position against the trend. It might not be the most ideal entry, since the price movement is sharply going downward, but I cannot avoid opening this trade against the trend for a price retracement. For the following reasons. Let's highlight the working area. The price touches the lower moving average of the channel indicator, forming a new extreme point here, so the fractal should indicate this. In this area, I also see an exit from the oversold area on the oscillator. So, in this case, I am opening a buy position. Let's wait for the result of the first trade. And the first trade closes in a loss. I won't open more trade on this currency pair while I see the type of price movement. Let's continue trading. And I will open another $600 trade, picking the most optional entry. Let's proceed and select the next currency pair. Here I am going to open a buy position. Great entry point. Let's highlight the working area. First, the price touched the support area, which is a great level for entry. It also touched the lower moving average, and in theory, we should form a new local minimum here, a new extreme point. The oscillator also shows that its moving average is in the oversold area, so we're expecting an upward movement. Let's watch the result of the second trade. And the second trade closes in profit. Let's change the trade amount to $550, which is half of my balance. Let's continue trading and try to find another good entry. Let's proceed and pick the next currency pair. Here I'll open a buy position. 100% the price movement should go upward now. It's clear, even without any indicators, but I will explain why we should open a buy position here. Even so, there was already a strong price impulse from 2 candles earlier. Also, previously, we saw a smooth upward trend. Then the price went downward, forming a new global price low, exiting the oversold area. And all of this tells me that the price movement should continue upward. Let's watch the result. And yes, the next trade closes in profit. Let's set the trade amount to $800 and open 2 trades for a total of $1,600. We are already in profit by $400, and I want to quickly increase my profit. I will conduct a more detailed analysis to open a more reliable entry. Let's proceed and pick the next currency pair. Here, without hesitation, I will open a sell position, following the trend direction. The trend is clearly downward. So let's highlight the working area. There was a good price retracement here, forming a new local maximum, a new extreme point. My logic is that the price movement should go downward. The oscillator also shows a cross from below upwards, and the price is heading toward the overbought area, which strengthens our signal to open a sell trade. That's exactly what we just done. Let's watch the result. And one of the trade closes in loss. Let's watch the movement. I will set the trade amount to $730 and open 2 more sell positions. I am not satisfied with this result, as the price has moved upward again, causing one trade to close in a loss. But I am absolutely confident in my entry logic, so I am opening 2 more sell trades with the full balance. The logic behind the entry remains the same, so let's just observe the price movement. And our trades close in profit. That was an interesting trading session today, with fairly unstable movement. Also, when I analyzed the market, this wasn't the case, but still you saw everything yourself. The strategy is definitely effective. We made a good profit today, and I'm fully satisfied. Let's move on to the withdrawal. Let's choose the wallet. Today's profit totals $1,464. The withdrawal operation is being successfully proceeded. If you have any question regarding this strategy or the use of these indicators and what they represent, you can find a link to my Telegram in the video description and ask any question you have. I will do my best to help everyone. Wishing you all the best in trading and see you soon. Stop! Now we are going to the second session. So let's get started with today's trading. I have analyzed all the currency pairs with the most optional movement characteristics and payout percentage, and I have selected them. For today, the movement doesn't look quite favorable to me. So, to secure myself, I will be using one of my favorite strategies with the following indicators: Bollinger Band with a period of 13, and a deviation of 2, Fractal with default settings on this broker, and 2 RSI oscillators, the first with a period of 5, and the second with a period of 10, keeping the overbought and oversold areas as the default levels of 17 and 30. These settings are optional for trading on 1 minute time frame. Today's goal will be to focus on the trend, channel movement, identify new local highs and lows, and monitor overbought and oversold areas. Overall, I think everything will be clear for you, as I will try to explain each trade in detail. So let's start with the $500 trade. Let me pick the first currency pair for the most optional entry point. Here I will be opening a trade to lower the price after the update of the local high. The movement touched the upper band of the channel indicator. Of course, the price might go high again, but I think that won't happen. We have a downward trend, and from this price level, there was a pullback, forming a new local high. Also, all the oscillators are in the overbought area. So I think the price movement will... Yes, it seems like the first trade was closed at a loss. Maybe here the trend will reverse and start to recover, showing more upward volume. Unfortunately, the first trade ended in loss, so let's continue the analysis. I'll try to pick a more reliable trade this time. Let's proceed and choose the next currency pair. Here I will open a trade to lower the price in the direction of the trend. But this time, the entry is a bit different. After updating the local high and touching the upper Bollinger Band, the price didn't go up. It immediately went down. So the oscillator's line moved out of the overbought area and starting heading lower. I believe the movement should continue downward, so I'm opening a trade to lower the price. Let's wait for the result. The second trade closes in profit. Excellent timing for the trade opening. And I'm locking in the profit. Here, the signal for opening the trade was much clearer. As I mentioned earlier, nothing complicated here. Let's change the trade amount. I will set the maximum amount and open a trade for the full balance, as I need to get back into profit. I am currently in the negative. Let's continue the analysis and pick the next currency pair. Now I will open a trade to raise the price. I think, like in the first trade, the trend should reverse and show more upward volume, and the price should at least approach the local high. Also, there was no update to the local high in this area, and the RSI oscillator with a period of 10 hasn't crossed the overbought area from below yet. So I believe the price will go up. Let's watch the result. And the first trade also closed in profit. Excellent entry level and timing. And I'm locking in profit again. I'll probably open 2 more trades with the full balance to make the profit higher today. The future amount, if I close 2 trades in profit, will be quite satisfying. Let's change the trade amount to $883 and continue the trading. Here I will open 2 trades to lower the price. Previously we saw a downward movement, and now I think there will be a price pullback in the next minute or 2. Overall, I think the downward volume will prevail, and the trend will continue down. The price made a good pullback, forming a local high and touching the upper Bollinger Bands. That's why I think there should be a pullback. Also, both oscillators are in the overbought area, so I think the price should move lower. Let's watch the result. As I said, the price pullback happened and both trades closed in profit without any problems. Excellent trading today. I'm absolutely satisfied with the result, despite the market movement being a bit unstable and not very comfortable. Whew. Overall, this strategy handled it easily. Let me now move to the withdrawal and lock in my profit for today. Today's profit is $2,215. The withdrawal operation is being successfully proceeded. That was the trading for today with the use of these indicators. If you have any question or didn't quite understand something about using this strategy, you can find the link to my Telegram in the video description and ask any question. I will definitely try to help everyone. And guys, have a good day and see you soon.